Okay, all right. Welcome again to this video training tutorial. So in this video training, I'm going to show you how you can download a free courses, like how you can download a free digital product. So if you are a marketer or a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer, this video is really for you. Please don't miss this video. So after this, I'll post this video now on my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel and you just watch this video now, please, I would like you to click the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. And whenever I'm going to post any other videos or share any other videos here, you'll be the first person to got notified. So that is just for that. That being said, so the aim of this video is I'm going to show you how you can download a free digital product online the PLR um using the PR outside. So what you need to do, this is not something that you will be like, I need to do this, is this real or it's not real? So yeah, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process which you can download this product, and then you download, even you can sell this digital product if you want to. You can download this product and then upload it to your drive file and then sell it and make money and keep it to yourself. Or you can even decide to get this product, download it, and then give it as a free gift, just to put it as a offer when you are selling your digital product. So that is just for that. If you want to sell this product, it is very fine for you, so you don't have any issues for you to sell this digital product. So that is just for that. So what I want you to do now is I will need to go to my Chrome browser so that I will show you the step-by-step process that you need to follow till you get everything done. You need to So the next step that you need to take is for you to search on the website that's called IDplr.com. So have you seen, here is the website. So you need to load it. Now, what is this website do? Have you seen, this website allows you to download a digital product. You can even buy it. You can buy the digital product here. Any digital product that you need, you can get it right here in this website. But for the benefit of this video, you are not going to buy any digital product. Like, what we mean by digital product, you already know it. If you are a digital marketer, digital product are the products that you can't feel it, but you can consume it with your electronic device, just like your smartphone and your laptop and every other device that you have, which you can use it to get access to the internet. So that is just for that. So what you need to do, you need to come to this login first. Then from that logins, you see sign up here. Have you seen? So if you are new now, you can just go ahead to sign up. Just once you have successfully signed up, then you come back again to log in it. So in this video, I'm not going to show you how to sign up now in this video, because I have already done that in other of my video. So what you just need to do is for you to, I'll drop the link of the video here so that you can go through it. So that's just for that. As for me, I'll need to log in with my details. All right, so I've put my details already, so I'll need to log into it. So the benefit of this is just, have you seen, hello Samuel, your free membership includes the following. Have you seen, access to 300 basics product, have you seen, with max license, which can be accessed here. Have you seen, like, what they are trying to say is that once you get access to this product, you can get access to the right for you to sell this product and keep the money for yourself. So there won't, you also get access to, like, you get a license to sell this product and keep the old things for yourself. So what I still want you to do, I want you please click the subscribe button. So the next step that you need to do now, you need to come to this three dot here. You see this three dot, then you click on it. So once you click on it, you click on categories. Have you seen categories? You see ebooks and reports, software and script, articles, newsletter and blog posts, videos, tutorial and course. Have you seen, templates and themes? So PLR graphics and design. Have you seen? So all these are courses which you can get access to. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download this course for free. Whether you want to download the ebook or the video training, all the process will still be the same process. So what you need to do, I'll need to click on these videos and tutorial and courses. Have you seen? So I'll need to click there. After clicking there, I'll need to wait for it to load. Have you seen? All these are courses. Have you seen? All these are digital courses. How how to YouTube video upgrade. Have you seen? Discover the ultimate YouTube videos success secret with this 10 parts, step by step guide. Have you seen? So this video now is actually, they sell this video for the price of just $11.90. So in this video now, I'm going to show you how you can download this video for free. Have you seen? All these are digital products which you can download and resell them if you really have the basic of the basic knowledge, which is what I'm going to show you now in this video. So have you seen? Beyond IQ video upgrade, have you seen all this? So what you need to do now, you need to scroll down, you scroll down. Have you seen? You need to scroll down, then you come to this, you scroll down and come to this, and come here. Have you seen our link bonuses? So what you need to do is you need to click on this free PLR download. Have you seen? So I'll need to click there, then it will redirect me. Have you seen how to download 200 free plus 2 gold products? So this is just the step that you need to follow. You can access free product from top menu or by clicking the link below. Have you seen? What are these free products? These are free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios, free designs, free graphics, free template. So in this video, this is what I'm going to show you. What you need to know is all these are the same process for you to get them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a free video. Mind you, if you want to download a free ebook or a free software, everything is still the same process. So here is the so what I will go to is free videos. I'll need to click on that free videos. Have you seen? So here is one of the digital products which you can download. Mobile e-commerce simplified. Have you seen? So warrior mindset. Have you seen? Content marketing blueprint video upgrade. So that is just for that. Master content marketing with this comprehensive video course. Learn brand important and fans cultivations and buyer conversion. Include master resales, right? Have you seen? So you have access to resell this digital product and keep the money for yourself. So what you need to do, you need to click on here. So after you have clicked on here, have you seen? Here is the categories. You can go ahead to just write down everything. So as for me, have you seen, this course is sell for $14.90, but for the benefit of this video, you are going to get this course just for free, and you have access to, have you seen, license master resell, right? Have you seen? You can resell this product. You can download this product and then build a file, like a drive file, and then resell this product, or you can even give this product out as an offer to your digital product. So that is just the process. So here is the content write-up. You can come ahead to copy what the course is all about. Have you seen? Unlock the power of content marketing with the content marketing blueprint video. Today, a digital landscape content marketing stand at the forefront of effective online strategies. These comprehensive videos course is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills to enhance the full potential of content marketing for your business or brand. So have you seen? Here is the write-up. So what we need, this write-up already simplify what this course is all about. So this is just, if you get access to this course, you can go to a seller platform and then create a sell page on seller, which I will drop the link to the video here in this channel. So that is just for that. So what you need to do now, you need to copy this write up now, what the course is all about, what the digital product is all about, what this product is all about as well. So I'll need to come and then copy it. I'll take it to, sorry, the thing doesn't want to copy all. Okay, what I'll need to do, I've copied this one, then I'll need to go to my, no, there will be no need for that. I'll still have everything. Okay, there will be no need for me to copy it because this is just a video practical. But as for you, you can go ahead and copy it because this is all the course is all about. Throughout this course, you will discover, have you see? So these are what you will discover in this course. So what you need to do, you need to come to this download. You need to come to this download. You can go ahead to preview, but I'll need to download because I don't want this video to be too long. I'll click on download. Have you see? is downloading already, so I'll need to wait for it to download. Let's view the details, the download details. As you see, the course is downloading already. So this is just the process. So we need to wait for it to download. So I'll need to pause this video. When the course have successfully downloaded, then I'll resume this video back. Okay, all right, the course have been successfully downloaded. So what I'll need to do now, I need to come to this three dot, come to this download. Have you seen the course have been downloaded? It consumed only 359 MB, so I'll need to click there. Then I'll need to, so what you need to do if you don't have this Z Archiver, you need to go to your Play Store and download this, because you need to extract this video. Okay, have you see upsell model? So have you seen, here is the video. You can come open. We need to wait for the video.
Why content marketing matters.
Have you see?
If you're at all interested.
So this is just the simplest method on how you can download a free digital product, and you can sell this product. You have access to sell this product. You can resell this product and make the money, and the main thing is you can keep the money to yourself. Have you seen? Here is the video one, which is the training video. Then this is the model two, which is the sell page. Have you seen? Have you seen?
Dear valued customer, first off, thanks so much for purchasing the guide.
So just this is just the simplest step. So here is the graphics. Here is the graphics image. Sorry, here is the graphics image. Have you seen? Which you can use to promote the course. It's not only this one. It's which, have you seen? Here is the images which you can use to promote the course. In case you want to sell the course, you can use this image. So this is just for that. So here is the model 10, which is upsell right to model 10, which is audio. This is just for audio. This is the affiliate page to the course. So here is the right video training, and this one too. You can go ahead and extract it, because I don't really want this video to be too long. So have you seen? So
Why content marketing matters.
so the purpose of this video was to show you how you can download a free digital product and then sell it to make some cash and keep the cash to yourself. You can even decide to give it that as an offer to your prospect if you want. So thank you guys for watching this video.